Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to our colorful toy adventure. Wow, look at these amazing toys. Can you help me to name them? Let's find out together. They're amazing. Look at these. Let's find out first. What is this? It's Ragnarok Thor. Wow! Wow! It's an excavator.
The excavator has a long arm and a bucket to move dirt.
Amazing! What is this? It's a roaster. Its color is brown. It's a fish. Its color is green. It's a Scooby-Doo dog. It's beautiful. It's a police car. It's an alligator. What is this? It's a shark.
Daddy shark, daddy shark.
Wow! It's a cement truck. It's very strong. It is a boat. Its color is orange. Wow. Look here. It's a crab. Wow. It's a racing car. Its color is blue. It is Lady Melvis riding a bike. Did you see this before this? It's a duckling. It's Yosemite scene. It's very funny. It is an aeroplane. Its color is red. It is a jeep, desert jeep. Wow, it is a baby dinosaur. It looks cute.
Like daisies dancing and springing, yellow's a happy bright.
Wow, it is an army person, army man. It is a butterfly. It looks beautiful. It is a dog. Its color is white. It looks beautiful. There's a parrot. It looks beautiful. Wow, amazing. It is a ladybug. Its color is red. It looks so cute. And the last last character. And this is the final clock. It is very strong, man.
That's exactly what Doug used to say. See you later, new Doug.
We have too much fun today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.